For more stock news updates, remember to press the like button and subscribe. With that being said, let's get straight into the video. The stock market has been on a remarkable upward trend, particularly after the Federal Reserve's significant decision to reduce interest rates. For many investors, this surge may make it feel like there are no worthwhile investments left on Wall Street, especially when the major market indexes are breaking records one after another. This situation could suggest that investor enthusiasm has reached a peak, leading some to believe that the market is potentially overbought. Yet despite this sense of exuberance, it is still possible to uncover valuable investment opportunities. In fact, even with a modest $500 in your pocket, there are several interesting investment options available right now. With that being said, let's talk about 3 amazing investments that you can buy right now, starting with Berkshire Hathaway's Class A shares, which are trading at over $685,000 per share. These shares are far out of reach for most individual investors due to their high price. However, for those who still want to invest alongside Warren Buffett, often regarded as one of the greatest investors of all time, there is a more accessible option: Berkshire Hathaway's Class B shares. Priced at around $455 per share, these shares allow you to own a part of Buffett's legendary portfolio without needing to be a multimillionaire. What makes Berkshire Hathaway particularly appealing is its structure as a massive, diversified company, which makes it very similar to a mutual fund in many ways. Rather than focusing on one particular industry or market sector, Berkshire Hathaway owns a wide range of businesses and investments across multiple sectors, from insurance and utilities to railroads, consumer goods, and technology. When you buy shares in Berkshire Hathaway, you are essentially buying into Buffett's investment philosophy, a strategy that has consistently delivered strong returns over the long term. Because of its vast diversification, there is no specific time when it is right or wrong to buy into Berkshire Hathaway. Investors who believe in Buffett's approach can simply view it as an opportunity to follow along with his investment decisions. He is known for being opportunistic, often waiting patiently for the right moment to invest in undervalued assets. Right now, what is especially interesting is that Berkshire Hathaway has been selling off large portions of its stakes in several of its big winners, including tech giant Apple and Bank of America. This move has contributed to the company's already enormous cash reserves, which stood at over $270 billion at the end of Q2 of 2024. Berkshire Hathaway's growing cash position has led to some speculation that Buffett is preparing for a potential downturn in the market, as he may believe that current stock prices are overvalued and that there is a significant risk of a bear market. However, the positive aspect of this strategy is that Berkshire Hathaway will be well positioned to make new investments at potentially more favorable prices when opportunities arise in the future. For value-oriented investors, following Buffett's lead could be a wise choice, particularly in a market that seems increasingly frothy. By investing in Berkshire Hathaway's Class B shares, you gain exposure to a wide array of industries, as well as the opportunity to benefit from Buffett's disciplined approach to value investing. Even if the market does experience a correction, Berkshire Hathaway's large cash reserves may allow it to capitalize on buying opportunities, potentially leading to long-term gains. Another stock worth considering is Visa. Over the past decade, Visa has demonstrated impressive growth, with its revenue increasing at an annualized rate of around 10%. This is already quite strong, but the company's earnings per share have grown even faster, expanding at an annualized rate of 15% during the same period. While no company's growth trajectory is guaranteed to move in a straight upward direction, Visa is in a particularly strong position due to its status as one of the 2 largest payment processors in the world. As the global economy becomes increasingly digital, Visa's role in facilitating electronic transactions positions it to continue benefiting from long-term trends in e-commerce and digital payments. For growth investors, Visa is a particularly attractive option, but there is even more to consider. Currently, Visa's price-to-sales ratio is around 16.9 times, which is slightly below its 5-year average of 17.7 times. Similarly, its price-to-earnings ratio is approximately 30.9 times, also below its long-term average of 34 times. This suggests that despite the company's stock price being near all-time highs, Visa is relatively undervalued compared to its historical pricing metrics. On top of this, Visa's dividend yield, while modest at around 0.7%, is near the high end of its historical range. Although the yield itself may not be the primary reason for investing in Visa, it does provide some income while still allowing investors to benefit from the company's potential for capital appreciation. Given the stock's current valuation and its dominant market position, now could be an excellent time for growth-oriented investors to take a closer look at Visa before more investors recognize its value. Now let's turn our attention to Realty Income, a company that has built its reputation on delivering reliable monthly dividend payments to its shareholders. Known as the monthly dividend company, Realty Income has increased its dividend annually for 29 consecutive years, a streak that demonstrates its commitment to rewarding investors for their loyalty. This trend is unlikely to end anytime soon, given the company's strong financial position and its status as the largest player in the net lease sector. In a net lease, tenants are responsible for covering most property-related operating costs, which provides a level of stability for the landlord. Realty Income's investment-grade balance sheet and its dominant position in the net lease space provide it with significant advantages when it comes to competing for real estate deals. The company's size and financial strength allow it to access low-cost capital, which enables it to pursue attractive investment opportunities while still maintaining profitability. In addition to its strong presence in the United States, Realty Income has expanded its portfolio to include properties in Europe, further diversifying its geographic reach. Its assets include retail and industrial properties, adding to the diversification of its real estate holdings. One of the key attractions for investors in Realty Income is its dividend yield, which currently stands at an appealing 5%. For income-focused investors, this yield is likely to make up a significant portion of the total return, especially given that the company's dividend growth is expected to be relatively slow. However, for those looking to generate reliable income from their investments, Realty Income's stability and commitment to monthly dividend payments could make it an exciting choice. In conclusion, even though the market may appear expensive, it is still possible to find worthwhile investment opportunities, even with a modest amount of money such as $500 or $1,000. Berkshire Hathaway's Class B shares offer a way to invest alongside Warren Buffett and benefit from his proven investment strategy. Visa presents an attractive option for growth-oriented investors who want to tap into the global shift toward digital payments. Lastly, Realty Income provides a stable, income-focused investment for those looking for consistent monthly dividends. Each of these stocks caters to a different type of investor, but all three are worth exploring if you are considering making an investment today. For more stock news updates, remember to press the like button and subscribe. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.